The Air Jordan 1 Low Golf Black Varsity Red brings a legendary sneaker design into the world of golf with style and performance in mind. Inspired by the iconic Air Jordan 1 from 1985, this model stays true to its roots while adding golf-specific features. The black patent leather upper delivers a premium and durable feel, while precise stitching keeps the design clean and cohesive. A crisp white midsole creates strong contrast, giving the shoe a balanced and polished look. The Varsity Red details, including the swoosh, heel wings logo, and outsole, add bold energy and instantly highlight Jordan brand identity. Underfoot, the golf-ready outsole with integrated spikes provides stability and traction on the course without sacrificing everyday appeal. The low-cut silhouette offers flexibility, mobility, and lightweight comfort, making it easy to wear for long rounds or casual outings. Overall, the Air Jordan 1 Low Golf Black Varsity Red successfully blends heritage, innovation, and versatility for both golfers and sneaker fans.